playing with the Surprise and Sounds Home!
Little people, Fisher Price.
Yay!
It's so fun to play when it's not even out of the box. Let's open it up.
Here we go.
Right. Screw unboxing.
And here are the screw instructions. Let's open this up.
Okay. Step away. Now, how do we get these undone? They're twisties. Hold on, I'm working on this. Okay, twist. 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 Alright. Got that one. Snip. Lift up. Alright, we're getting there. Now it's just, oh, look at this. Holding down the stuff. So fun to play with.
Mom, can I see it?
Snip it. Getting it all unsnipped. This is no magic. This is showing what it really takes to get the toy out of the box. Beep, beep. I got scissors. There we go.
The little girl
Now,
needs
you
to
watch your face. I have some scissors, sweetie.
This is without my husband's mom. I'm gonna have the mom. Ah. I wanna have a sister too. I wanna have a sister.
It says adult assembly. Now you see why.
And here's the mom.
Okay, now we just need to put these screws in so it can open and close.
What is this thing? What is it? How do we
Daddy.
screw, Daddy?
Nice, that's what it's supposed to do. So it can stay together.
Ooh, this is gonna
Shut.
And the mom's gonna walk in.
Okay, let's shut it real quick. Put down the screw in there.
Let's get it together.
Flip it. Whoa, the house is upside down. Put it in. All right, let's get that in there. We are ready to play. Let's put this inside.
Whoa,
Hold that on. Where's all the stuff that was in here? Was this in here? That's by the front door. I think it was there though.
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm gonna close it up so that we see what it's like. There you go.
Little storage room with all this.
Okay, here it is all put together. Look, do you see the puppy? Where's the puppy?
Where's the puppy?
The puppy's down in the flowers. Where's the kitty cat sleeping?
In the window.
In the window. And what does the bird do? Whoa! The kitty cat's away. How cute. Now open up that front door.
Let's open it up.
Whoa. Okay, now let's open up the house. That's so neat. It opens up.
Yes.
Let's open up the house. All right. Look how cool that is. That's neat. Okay.
Let's play.
So there's a table. Let me see the green table.
Here's the cool.
Put it in my hand. It's a removable table with food already on it. The big meal is already there with the cups, plates full of food, and drinks. Here you go. So it's already there. No pieces to lose.
Mom.
Let's set it outside the kitchen so we can see inside the kitchen. What happens in the stove, in the oven?
Open this.
Is there anything in the oven? Oh, it's done. There's food in the oven. What's in there?
Cookies.
Is it cookies?
Cookies are ready.
Oh, cookies are ready, it said.
Cookies are baking.
Mommy, are you making
Ooh,
dinner
that
yet?
looks good. What's in the fridge?
Ooh, there's a polar bear in the fridge.
Well, there is a polar bear in the fridge. That's so funny.
Let's cut some carrots. I'm just gonna lay down and watch TV. Hey, and dinner's already. Dinner's already.
Close the door.
Dinner. I'll come sit down.
That's a cute little fridge in there.
Look at our dinner.
It's a cute little kitchen with all the stuff in there. And let's see this room.
I have a necklace.
Ooh, family picture on the wall. Is this a TV?
TV with the show.
All right, they're watching
And a little
something
snowman.
super exciting.
Little snowman. Oh,
Let's
and
see
that's
up
the
here.
outside.
Oh, look, it's snowing outside. Oh, look, it's sunny outside. No, it's snowing, snowing, sunny, snowing. Oh my goodness. Look at this neat bed. And the bedside tables. Nice and cozy. What's over here? All right, this is the kids' room. Oh, I see a bathroom too. So let's put the kids up in bed.
Put him in bed.
I'm tired.
Let's put the other little boy in bed. Does it come with this little boy?
It's a dad.
Or is this the dad?
Yeah, so they slip out of the big bed.
Let's see the dad.
Maybe he wants to go to sleep in the
Here's
kitchen.
the dad. That's right, he's a dad. Let me see the mom. Let's see the mom. All right, here's the mom. All right, yep, go to bed. Okay, now it's time to wake up.
Time to wake up.
So let's see.
Time to wake up.
Ring, ring. Let's have the alarm go off. Whoa!
No.
Let's do that again.
What game?
Oh! That's right. The alarm goes off, and what happens? She gets out of bed, all right. What happens in the bathroom?
I need to go to the bathroom now.
Is there any noise in that one?
Let's see.
Any flushing?
I'm gonna wash my
hands. Go wash your hands. Are there sound effects in washing your hands or in the shower?
Oh, I'm gonna go to bed. That's in there. I'm gonna watch TV now.
Pretty neat.
Ooh, an airplane. And the dad is asleep.
He is asleep. And this little table fits their little family. And what's so neat is that you can put it all inside. Let's put it all inside and shut it.
Put everything inside now.
So we can take it wherever we want to. Can't we? Let's shut it up. Put them all inside.
Put them all inside.
Put them all inside.
Okay. I'm gonna be in the kitchen.
Let's shut it.
He's still asleep.
Okay, shut it, and then you can pick it up by the handle. And put it down. You can carry it with you wherever you go. Stay shut pretty good. Turn it around. Let's see the other side looks like shut. Cute. Okay, let's turn it around. This is a lot of fun. We love this little house. Thanks for watching. If you like this little house, push the like button. Thumbs up.
And please subscribe.
Polka dot playtime.